back to Creativityqueen. So today we're gonna be making a beautiful Barbie keychain out of glitter foam sheet. By the way, I started a new Instagram account, so follow me on Instagram at Creativityqueen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get to the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and today shout out goes to these 3 subscribers, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.